So, good morning. We are in a parking lot at our new hotel or hostel. It's a hotel and hostel in one. Here's a good place, simply no location without getting disturbed to make a video. I hope the sound is clear. I must talk a bit louder maybe because camera stand far away on my phone. I hope the light is okay. I'm by myself 8 years outside of my country. Germany is my home country. East Europe, deepest East Europe, Ukraine, Georgia, everywhere, also by Balkan, have a lot of experience, so it's more like a survival backpacking, unpacking video. So I would say it will take a bit time. It's all organized, so but I can give you good advices in this video, much experience. It's not a hobby backpacking channel, so I made also much more other things and building up an NGO or something. So a person with experience. So we start because it will be long. First, my laptop is here because I not have get this here in the back of the backpack. It was a bit difficult to pack. I show you first the backpack. Also is a jacket, shoes. So let's start, I would say. Picture for me is good. I go a bit back. So falling down. You see summer jacket. Now I have my winter jacket on it. It's 4th or 5th December. So mouse pad, of course, it was next to the laptop. So my laptop bag I have give away. I have such thing. These packing bags I have workers. Very good. I can recommend definitely. You have much space in these bags. You get more in the backpacks with this stuff. Also, for example, I every time buy me this. Simply this for kitchen, for bread or something. To compromise things, stuff sometimes, also food or coffee. This is now dirty clothes, for example, socks and underwear. Practically, this is worse because of you save a lot of things on long time travel, on long time. So first, culture bag for bathroom things. I have another one, but some things here in the side. So then just also dirty for washing on top, was not compromised because yesterday not needed. So first, packing bag. I really recommend. It's very much place. I don't know, clothes, much stuff inside now. But for example, what I see here, solar power bank. We have, for example, here when some accident happens or something, and I have more everywhere. So it's a bit mixed. No, but it's just this inside this on top. So, but in this bags you simply have more place, pack those things, and very accurately. You can compromise it even more like this, and you get much more inside if you want. So it's a 65-liter bag. So, and the laptop normally is here behind. So one packing bag more and one more. This was then already the uppest thing. Here we come to the outdoor stuff area. For example, here the sides of course and fronts are full. Here on top is also not full. On top, for example, we make now my laptop charger. But when the selfie stick is not a stativ like right now, then also here's a selfie stick in this bag on top. I go at the front. I hope the light is okay later on video. But here inside also a towel. I not put this out now. I think it's clear because it's much work. I have a broken hand since 15 years, only 50% are working. So towel. Then here, yeah, this is mainly for clothes. I live is my living stuff, but also here, when some accident happens, something inside, of course, to save place, some cream or something, simple things. And I put this also in because it will be much work to pack this backpack again. To pack this backpack accurately when I have stuff out, I need 1 hour. So now when it's 1 minute the bag, I need minimum 30 minutes to keep it in the bag again. But yesterday I checked in, so I can make this now fast. Next packing bag. Also just clothes, few other things. 1 box, I don't know, I have a 2nd box through some circumstances. Yeah, we can make for more light, better light maybe. Why not? A locker you should have in the hostel, the key I have every time in my front bag here, show you later. So, and for the case that I need it. So, and what is also important, I see here, like for airport or something, when you go travel, you hand backpack, so the important things in a small bag like this. It's perfect size, it's extra for flies, and not absolutely not need much space in the backpack. You see it goes in one hand. So it's perfect for traveling, but of course it's not the best quality. It's very low budget. For this I have paid 3 or 5 euro on Amazon in Germany. So it's really nothing. So I put this in fast. Give me just a few seconds. So and then we continue with the backpack because it's still much. It's also packed not only East Europe because it's already planned for Amazonas and this stuff, South America next year. I go to South America definitely. A trip is planned, Colombia, Ecuador, Peru and Bolivia. I have stuff for sleeping outside. I have, by the way, there in the stuff somewhere is a water filter also. A water filter I have. 7-8 euro. Not much. So the shoes, I think it's clear that I have made after the backpack is fully packed, smart at the outside, and I not make them off now. It's okay. So what is important in these backpacks? Every time you use these tools to save the backpack, these things. Then maybe otherwise these was just broken down. For example, these are good army backpacks, but yeah. Okay, this side. Let's see. Mouse. Complete on top. Then here we have a map for documents, credit cards and all with RFID protected. Simply, yeah, all documents what you need, and of course more space in it. That was already this side, the front. No promotion now, yeah, it's coffee. It's also still coffee, what not the much place was here inside, so I have made this in this plastic. Perfume, no promotion. And the second bag for bathroom stuff. I not need to show you this bathroom stuff. You need not travel almost everything. What you have in your bathroom, I have in my backpack. So next side, phone charger. Yeah, on top. So then you will see. Here. Begins with stuff from Amazonas or something. Here these are glasses for watching. So we have, I want to also see Jaguar making the car. So of course, and yeah, a little plastic what I have here inside, so it's nothing special. Medicaments, condoms, some pin cards from put a stick. So this passport saved. Here, gangster image. Must be, no? And it's later. And it's legal here in this country. It's wind protection, not like it does in Germany. In Germany it's illegal to wear this on street. Here, people in winter, it's normal because of you live in the mountains in winter. This is my self-made medikit. I not want shell pro from the front or something. Even self-made medikit. Haha, condoms. Cigarette filters. Fire. Cigarette papers, but really also stuff for medicates like tablets down, but even pencils inside. So I call it self-made medikit. It's a bag from this solar power bank. What I have with me. So all to the side and almost just down. We come to this, I forget to Google this name, I don't know the English name from this one. One thing. But I will explain you will know what it is. This thing, what you mean, make a jungle between trees and then you sleep in it. With mosquito net and a tarp. This here down. And of course a sleeping bag. For traveling. A complete sleeping bag. You can compromise it to this size. Compromise it this size, and it's later like this packed. That's really good. So this is for I don't know the word. Hanging between trees and sleeping in. Also for 2 persons, 290 long and 150 yeah. And good quality. So this is a tarp for over top. So, and here's the sleeping bag. So generally, yes, horses, but yeah, have every time with me here. Phone, money. Put your stuff in the inside pockets is important to know, also in the pockets inside. Generally I have had also a money belt with me. A money belt, buy a good quality if you buy one. I have my 2 weeks at FO at a cheap quality, 15 euro Amazon. Not buy these, spend a bit more money. Now I have a Georgian bank account, but anyway I need it. So, and other not good product recommendation, but a place to hide things on travel, money. So it was for hairs, but I can make it off. And it was like this, but yeah, already also broken these cheap products, you know, but it was maybe because of hardcore backpacking. I'm going broken. Yeah, you know, I not want like this or something now, but yeah. So of course have also some things like this. So professionally prepared, I have everything. I have 3 expensive perfumes I have with me. It's no promotion or something, but also I not look like shit or something. I look good. I look very good. Yeah. So if you like those kind of content, I have a German channel already. You can read the channel description. To this NGO building, the social organization in this country is a video up. Just for that, it would be cool when you give it a subscribe this channel and like the videos or something, or share it. Would be cool. Because this NGO get officially connected with my YouTube channels. I don't need my YouTube for living. So I will connect it over an NGO and build up a social sleeping place here in Georgia. Because Georgia, I will make to my life midpoint. Here's a tax paradise. Here's easy with visa regulations and all. I will make more videos to that, of course. So, but I just started the channel before 2 days. So, because the last month I've made my German channel and that's already on 100 subscribers or something. So in both I will little connect going international because I'm 8 years outside of my country. I cannot make only German content. No way. I know too much people outside of Germany. People ask me why you not have. They even want that I make a Russian channel. I say my Russian is not good enough. I cannot. Not all and so yes. So that was it for today. Later will come also a Metro explained video because I've seen on YouTube it's not content up on YouTube for this. So very important. I've seen through my German Metro channel video the content and Metro and Tbilisi, the keywords. No results. So yes, anyway, was planned. I will make it today also, of course. So and yesterday freelance work at this social organization. You can also check the video. Also with the website noted and all official organization. You see it. And yeah, have a nice day. And goodbye.